Hello marble guys, here is Emil or GraviScraper. Today I will unbox the vertical cannon from the base collection of GraviTrax. At the backside you can find some explanation about how the element works, as well as every part that is included. The set consists of 3 translucent pieces, 2 half tubes that you should connect together, 1 big base window that holds the marbles in place. You can find a white base gear construction. Furthermore, there is 1 white base piece as well as a 3-in-1 angled piece. And the last piece is a green gear that serves as a cornerstone. Those instructions show how to use the piece and how you build it. You also get 3 metal bolts and a red marble. Put the white piece with the gear on top of the base piece. Clip in the translucent window. Connect the top with the 2 translucent tubes. You can also turn the tube direction by 60 degrees at a time. Put in the gear piece correctly in the middle so that it clicks. Load every of the 3 marbles with a push in the cannon. In total we got 7 marbles in a row that got released. And now I'm building a small test track. In conclusion, this piece is very useful due to the reliability of 6 to 7 marbles that can be released in a row. The price of 13.99 euros in Germany relates to a good price performance compared to the magnetic cannon. The height progress of 10.5 height heights is a nice feature.